At this time, we'll have you turn to the Worldwide Mission Budget and Actual Report found in the financial section on page 12 in English, French, and Spanish. So page 12 in the paper booklets in all three languages. On electronic page 101 in English, electronic page 105 in French, and electronic page 110 in Spanish. Now you know why we don't want to announce the page numbers each time. The report for 2016 is presented separately from the 2017 and 2018 reports. This is because of changes to how expenses were categorized and audited in 2017 and 2018. There are three key points that we want you to notice as you look at these budget reports. The first, our budgets are now cash neutral. That means that we have sufficient cash inflows, sufficient cash coming in to take care of the cash going out through expenses. The second is our budgets are balanced. That means that the expenses do not exceed the income. And the really good news is that each year, because of your generosity, our income has exceeded our expenses. We are grateful to the church for its generosity, and we are grateful to World Church staff for effective, responsible budget management in supporting the mission of the church. These types of budget reports would not be possible without your generosity. So again, thank you so very much.
The World Church currently has 6 endowments, 3 of which are managed by the Bishop of Canada. The key points that we want you to know about the endowments are: 1, as previously announced to the church, we have stopped spending from the 3 endowments managed by international headquarters. 2, we have allocated investment assets and taken other actions to reduce negative accumulated earnings. Negative accumulated earnings result from spending more from the endowments than the investment income they earned. 3, all donor-restricted endowment balances held in each fund now have positive accumulated earnings. The negative accumulated earnings now relate only to World Conference designated balances. The endowments are strengthening and gradually recovering. Their continued recovery depends on the future global economy, investment returns, and the sale of investment real estate at or above book value.
Now let's look at the Consolidated Net Assets report. Net assets represent all fund balances, assets minus liabilities, at the end of each fiscal year. The key points we want you to know about consolidated net assets are: 1, The church's net assets continue to grow from $10.9 million in 2016 to $63.9 million in 2018. And two, more than half of the improvement from 2017 to 2018 was due to the sale of the printer's manuscript of the Book of Mormon.
One question we often receive is how much does the church have in the Affiliate Investment Pool funds, or the AIP funds? The bottom of page 23 in English, French, and Spanish, electronic page 114 in English, 116 in French, and 121 in Spanish refers to 149 million in funds held on behalf of others. These are cash and investments that the church holds for a variety of account stewards, including Graceland and various trusts. Included in this amount is roughly $100 million of investment funds that is related to congregations, campgrounds, and other church entities.
A significant effort is underway to convert investment real estate held by investment accounts and the general operating, temple, and worldwide mission endowments into cash and marketable securities for anticipated future use in support of the worldwide mission budget. The key points we want you to know about investment real estate are: 1, the 3,000 plus acres in eastern Jackson County, Independence, Missouri, known as Harmony, continues to be the church's largest investment real estate holding. 2, we have sold over $4.5 million in investment properties in the inter-conference period, which improved liquidity. And 3, based on a suggestion of business leaders attending a 2017 Strategic Financial Summit held by the Presiding Bishopric, we are actively exploring how interested church members can purchase church investment real estate to benefit the person and the church. If you have any interest in this, please give me a call.
As Steve explained yesterday, investment real estate sales are not a source of funding for the Bridge of Hope project. This question has been raised several times today in our question and answer sessions. We know it can be a bit confusing. The investment real estate converts, when we sell the investment real estate, it converts one type of asset, real estate, into another type of asset, cash, to hold as part of the church's net assets. And then cash may be used to purchase yet another type of asset, marketable securities, that may have greater income generating possibilities as part of endowment and other investment funds.
One final bit of good news. The new guy gets to tell the good news. The debt management chart shows the debt position of the World Church. The key point we want you to know is the World Church is debt-free. Through a balanced and cash-neutral budget, we have repaid an $8 million bank line of credit balance, and the Bridge of Hope project allowed us to repay the $15 million borrowed by the post-retirement fund from the affiliated investment pool.
We know this was a very brief highlight of the church's improved financial strength since 2016. You will need to read the entire report for more details. And for those of you who want even further details, we would refer you to our online financial updates and specifically to the annual audit report. We hope you can see it is because of many difficult decisions combined with the church's shared generosity that we can pause and celebrate monumental progress made in just 3 short years. As leaders, we thank you for your role in this success story. Together, we have made a positive difference in the church's financial health. This is really good news.